In the blue corner, he's unbeaten so far in his career with a record of 1 win and no defeats. At yesterday's weigh-in, he scaled 10 stone 9 pounds, and tonight he wears the black and white shorts. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome from Welly,
Jake Henty lahir pada tahun 2000 di Inggris dan memulai menekuni dunia tinju sejak usia 6 tahun. Di usia 21 tahun, ia telah memenangkan 3 gelar nasional selama masa amatirnya dan mewakili Inggris dalam kompetisi internasional selama 5 tahun di kelas welterweight super. Setelah meraih berbagai prestasi di tingkat amatir, Jake memutuskan untuk beralih ke dunia tinju profesional pada 2022 ketika usianya menginjak 22 tahun. Di pertandingan profesional pertamanya, Jake berhasil mengalahkan Kevin McCauley, seorang petinju berpengalaman hanya dalam 3 ronde. Hingga saat ini Jake telah bertarung dalam 7 pertandingan tanpa pernah mengalami kekalahan. Tanpa diduga, Jake meninggalkan agama Kristen dan masuk ke agama Islam. Apa alasannya meninggalkan agama Kristen dan masuk ke agama Islam? Mari kita simak berikut ini.
What led you to taking Shahada, becoming a Muslim?
I've got friends that are Christian. I was Christian myself, and it was so easy to fall off. And my friends was always falling off. They was always, even though they was Christian, they go out, they still be partying, they still be doing bad things. And when I had at the time, I had some Muslim friends as well, and they were the way they lived their life. They were so strict. Like you could give them all the money in the world to do this or eat this like haram things, and they wouldn't do it. And I think when you got 5 prayers a day, it's a constant reminder every 2-3 hours. Oh, I've got to pray. I've got to do this. I've got to do this. Even so, I kind of thought it's just this. It's a better path to follow. So I always want to be in a religion where it was a strong religion. And I felt Islam was a very strong religion, a disciplined religion, and that fits into my life with the boxing and all the other things as well. So it just made sense. I was always Christian before, and I used to pray regularly. I used to pray a lot because I've always been kind of a religious person. So one day I put on a podcast, and at the time I listened to, like the motivational videos. I was listening to a lot of them, and all of a sudden a lot of Islamic ones come up, and I started listening to them, and I thought, you know what, I'm not really into Islam, don't really know what it's about, but I'm going to start, as it come on, I thought, why not, I'm going to listen to it. So I started listening to the podcast and whatnot, and they started saying that like Allah is like, it's one God. Muslims worship one God, and the meaning of Islam means submission to one God. And I didn't realize that at the time. I thought just Islam was just a crazy word for a whole different religion. I was like, Islam's a complete different religion, like a crazy religion, like I don't know vibe. But when they started saying Islam was submission to one God, I was like, when I go to pray, sometimes I'm praying to Jesus. I'm like, oh, please Jesus, can I have this? Please God, can I have this? I'm like, who am I praying to? I thought, who am I praying to? So when the whole Islam thing, it made sense to pray to one God.
Menurut Jake, cara hidup Islam lebih cocok bagi dirinya. Kemudian, Jake merasa menyembah satu Tuhan lebih rasional dibanding cara menyembah di agamanya yang terdahulu.